In this video, I'm going to be sneezing as many times as I can before my dad stops saying bless you. So we're going to be testing his politeness and seeing how many sneezes it takes before he figures out we're doing a video, or he doesn't say bless you. My mic went out then, sorry guys. So how many sneezes will it take before he does not say bless you?
Bless you.
Okay, so
And a minute, love.
Got two pea balls here. Confirm?
I confirm there are 2 pea balls.
You roll them on the table.
Bless you.
Right, okay. So can you confirm that? Very cool. Right. Okay, so
Bless you.
I have a cold now. Right.
Bless you.
Right, okay. Okay. You're around correct.
Bless you.
Right, okay. I can't do this anymore. We're recording a video. And we were testing out how many times I could sneeze before you would stop saying bless you.
Ah,
Okay, so
that's very polite.
I sneezed about 5 times, and all those times he said bless you. So the answer is my dad's politeness is pretty good.